is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys like that little intro with the truck, that little like exhaust clip slash montage type deal. But if you can tell me what is wrong with this picture, I will give you a high five in the comments. If you guessed that we don't have lights again and the 98 is still broken, well, congratulations, you get a high five. Not sure what the deal is. I switched out the cab lights. Don't worry, I didn't leave them the blue. I just want to see what it looks like. That's why I bought the second bag of white ones. So I switched the cab lights that are now white LEDs. But before I did that, when I swapped out that socket, I ran probably 2.5 days, no problems with the truck. Swapped out to the LED cab lights and boom, we had blown a fuse. Pulled it down to the shop, pulled it in, changed the fuse, checked everything. Everything went fine, and the next day drove a truck down to my dad's house and we blew a fuse. Not sure what the problem is. I don't think it's a ground wire, because if it was a ground wire, it'd be like jiggling around, blowing, but it's constantly like every other day. I don't know if I have a bad LED bulb that is creating too much current, but LEDs shouldn't pull more current than what the factory lights do. They actually should be less because it's a much more efficient light. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if I have a bad connection back here in these LEDs that is causing a problem with the circuit up there, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull these tail lights out. I got electrical cleaner in the house. I'm basically just gonna clean them, throw some bulb grease in like the connectors, just like a little connection grease, and hopefully I can put a new connection in and see if that fixes it. If not, then it's probably gonna go to Chad's this week and see if we can trace down any bad wire or ground wire or just something along those lines. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it pulled in or backed in here, and then we'll get the video rolling. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, we got the truck backed in here. It's extremely cold out here. As you can tell, we have snow everywhere. We got like 8 to 10 inches overnight. It's all in the back of my truck, but I'm gonna go in the house and let my hands warm up for a couple minutes. But when I come back out, we're just gonna drop the tailgate, take the 2 screws out, and top and bottom, both sides. Take that electrical cleaner, spray it, wipe it all out, throw a little connection grease in there, plug them back in, probably pop a new fuse in and see if it blows or see what happens. But we're just gonna try and narrow this problem down one at a time. But like I said, I'm gonna run in the house real quick, let my hands warm up, and then we will be back.
Ryan Little.
Okay, guys, we got the light, tail light taken out, sprayed all the electrical sockets and pluggings and stuff from that one to these 3 over here. This is a quick drying formula. I sprayed it probably 2 minutes ago. I'm gonna let it sit probably for another minute. We're gonna move over to this side, get this all taken apart, get it sprayed. So when it's drying, I can move back to this side, plug that one all back up, and then vice versa. Okay, guys, got everything put back in there. There was a few connections I wrapped with electrical tape just to kind of give a barrier. Then I took my connection grease here and put it on the plugs and stuff, or the sockets, whatever you want to call them. I just got to put the screws back in, and then we're going to throw a new fuse in and see what happens. I mean, it may last a day or two, and I think I fixed it, and then it might blow, or it might blow immediately. So we'll see what we got. I'm going to put these screws in, and then I'll bring you guys. Well, as of right now, we have lights, but you never know if that fuse is gonna blow or not. I'll keep you guys updated on what the problem is if I ever figure it out. But you can see I have cab lights, and then those marker lights. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys up to date, like I said. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. Thanks for tuning in. Smash the subscribe button if you're new, and I will catch you in the next one.